What is hooded eye? When you see straight in the mirror and you see very little area of lid, that means you have hooded eyes. These are a few examples of hooded eyes, and in today's video we are going to learn how we can make them look attractive using the makeup tips and tricks. On the good side, I am doing soap brows technique. In my opinion, soap brows are perfect for hooded eyes as they give you more area to work on and make your eyes look more lifted. If you want full video on these type of brows, you can check the link in the description as I have done a very detailed video on this look. On the bad side, I'm doing usual brows. They give you lesser space as compared to the soap brows और इसमें आपका जो brow bone का area है वो इतना ज़्यादा pop नहीं हो पाता जितना ज़्यादा soap brows के साथ होता है. So go for the soap brows. If you have hooded eyes, try it once and you will love it. Now I'm using Fit Me concealer on the eye concealing, which is my favorite concealer for the eye because it covers all the hyperpigmentation, creases and everything. If you have hooded eyes, try to make sure that you are doing the concealing very nicely, thoroughly using a very good concealer because you have more chances of creasing. On the good side, I will apply the loose powder because with loose powder you have lesser chances of having creases. जबकि on the bad part मैं apply करूँगी compact powder और compact powder apply करने के बाद you will see the difference very clearly between the both. After a few blinks you will have creases. For hooded eye, never drag highlighter down or towards your lid because it is going to make your hood more prominent. Instead, you should keep it right on your brow bone. As you can see here, very little highlighter right on the brow bone. It won't accentuate your hood area and will keep everything in the place. For hooded eyes, you should not apply the darker shade right on your crease because it is going to hide below your hood and make your eyes look droopy. As you can see here, it makes your eyes look droopy and tired. Instead, you should apply a new crease right above your crease. As you can see here, I am depositing the color above my crease near to my brow bone. वंस आई हैव डिपॉजिटेड द कलर मैं इसको एक प्रिसाइज ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश के साथ विंडशील्ड वाइपर मोशन में ब्लेंड कर रही हूँ बिटवीन माई brow bone and above my lid. You will see the difference very clearly between both the eyes. For hooded eyes, it is a pro tip to apply lighter shade, highlighting kind of shape on your lid. This is going to make your eyes look very awake. My good side looks so nice and fresh here, while on the bad side I am applying a darker shade on the lid, which is again going to hide under the hood, and this won't look very attractive as this is going to make your eyes look oddly rounded in shape, tired and droopy, which we obviously don't want. We all love winged eyeliner, don't we? I am a big fan of winged eyeliner, but the winged eyeliner is not a good option for the hooded eye. After a few minutes, you will see that this will create a huge mess after it will transfer on the lid. और अगर ये ट्रांसफ़र भी नहीं होता, so when your eyes are completely open, it is going to hide below your it is going to hide underneath your hood and it won't look that attractive at all. Instead, you should apply eyeliner very nearly to your lash line as if you are working on the lash line, and if you want a wing, try not to make it above your hood. For hooded eyes, you should apply brown eyeshadow right under on your lower lash line and blend it very nicely, and then use another darker brown shade and blend it with the eyeshadows you have applied on your crease. It's a big no-no to apply very bold and very thick eye pencil on your lower lash line, which is going to make your eye look oddly round in shape. This is a pro tip for your eyes to look bigger, to apply base on the waterline. On the bad side, I'm applying eye pencil directly on my waterline, which is again going to make eyes look oddly rounded, as I said earlier. Now I'm just touching my eye pencil on my lash line, which is going to give a very clean and very precise look, and it will also give a definition to your good side. After that, I'm applying highlighter in the inner corner of my good side. And I'm also using a lash curler before applying my mascara on the good side. It is a pro tip to make your eyes look pop. Now on the bad side, I'm using my mascara directly. अनफॉर्चुनेटली गुड पार्ट पे मैं लैशेज एप्लीकेशन को फिल्म नहीं कर पाई, बट वहाँ मैंने इंडिविजुअल लैशेज लगाई हैं एंड ट्राई टू मेक श्योर वो सेंटर से बिल्कुल थिक ना हो. ऑन द बैड साइड बहुत थिक आई लैशेज लगाई हैं विच इज़ गोइंग टू हाइड योर लिड. I hope this video is going to be helpful for those who have hooded eyes. If you like the video, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.